I'm Shabnam Fakhroseni. I'm studying applied cognitive science and human factors, and I am a graduate researcher in the lab.
My name is Yuanjing Sunny. I'm studying applied cognitive science and human factors. I'm a graduate researcher in the lab.
My name is Stephen Lantry. I'm studying cognitive science and human factors, and I am a graduate researcher in the lab.
My name is David Tascarella. I am studying computer science, and my role in this lab is a developer.
So in this study, we investigated the influence of different kinds of railroad sign on drivers' attention.
So one of my projects focuses on in-vehicle auditory alerts for vehicles. So to warn us about railroad crossings. So you come up to a crossing and it gives you some kind of auditory alert that lets you know that a crossing exists in front of you. And then we'll also give you another type of auditory message that tells you whether or not a train is present.
Because audition is another sensory channel beyond vision, so the goal of the project is to give an early alert to drivers about the potential hazard in driving.
The goal of my project is to create a tool that will allow real-time data collection in an easy manner to facilitate and help other projects in the lab.
So one of the reasons that we use a driving simulator is that train vehicle collisions are so rare, they're really hard to get a lot of data on. So we recreate that here in the simulator, and we can kind of create the environment that we need, create the trains that we need and all the different geometries of crossings, and that way we can isolate particular variables and figure out what's actually going on in the real world from what we see in the simulator.
The technology used in the project is OpenDS. It is an open source, low fidelity driving simulator which allows researchers to insert any events or auditory cues as they wish.
We used a medium fidelity simulator to simulate roads and railroads, plus a kind of eye tracker to save eye movements of drivers. We have been using different kinds of physiological measurements, such as fMIRS that record hemodynamic changes of prefrontal cortex, and BioPack tool that helps us to record heart rate, skin temperature, and some other bio variables that is important to see their driver's internal state.
The aim of this project is to use auditory displays to give early alert to drivers about the potential hazard in driving.
So a long-term goal is to have communication between different infrastructures. So the rail infrastructure knows where all the trains are. The vehicle infrastructure knows where all the cars are. If they can communicate, then they can make sure that we stay out of each other's way.